We had a question from Marcio, who says, today many people are using LLMs to make decisions, but LLMs don't understand causality. Do you think causality is the only thing missing to LLMs can make decisions?
So thank you, Marcio, and that allows me to actually answer the final topic I didn't cover, and I still had it, and I wanted to first take a break. But well, long story short, let's go. So LLMs are used more and more in causal inference to help us question causal claims. First, basically, at the foundation, when you want to ask a causal question and build a causal model, you have to build this causal graph that Justine mentioned. And for this, you need a lot of domain knowledge. You really need to understand what is causally related. If you have a marketing campaign, the competition behavior, is it reacting to our ad campaign? Is it a cause? Is it both? What about seasonality? And you really need a lot of domain knowledge. And LLMs have a lot of domain knowledge. And basically, this can help to build the graph and challenge the graph. So basically, you can use any chatbot frontier model to help you question causal graph and build causal graph. You even have now a lot of research, like there is one paper called Mining Causality, another one ACLM paper that shows how to do causal discovery augmented with LLMs. And basically you have some papers, long story short, that structure how to prompt to use LLMs to help support our causal inquiries. You even have now a Python package which is called PyLLM, where basically within Python you can call an LLM to ask questions. So that's the first part. You cannot measure causality with LLMs, but they have a good sense of what might be a cause and how things might be related. And that's how I built a free app, basically based on ChatGPT. I want to move to Claude, but it's not done yet. A free app that's available on my website and within the book, where basically you share a claim and you challenge the findings. So that's the first thing about LLMs. The second about decisions. So anytime you think about AI, it's also a causal question. It's always comparing to the right counterfactual. So for example, what I mean by this is that LLMs are doing mistakes, but humans as well. And the nature of the mistakes, for example, for making a decision, are different. Humans have personal bias, emotions, friendships, enmities, personal agenda, which create mistakes. And this is very different from the mistakes from AI when they have to make decisions, Gen AI and LLMs, which sometimes is just hallucination, overconfidence, or sycophancy. Basically, they really want to satisfy you. And what I witness is that you really have to test, to detect the nature within your context of the errors and compare it to human errors, and how basically you can work eventually limit these issues. So without more context, unfortunately, I cannot answer less generally and more specifically, but that's basically my overall take.